When German soldiers surrendered in World War II, many believed the war wasn't over for them. They expected revenge, mistreatment, or worse. What they got instead left many of them speechless.
German troops had been warned about capture. Enemy prisons were described as brutal. Food would be scarce, discipline would be harsh. Some believed surrender was more dangerous than fighting on. That expectation shaped everything they felt walking into captivity.
The first surprise came almost immediately. No beatings, no shouting, no humiliation. Instead, clear rules, calm orders, and basic respect. Then came the food. Hot meals, regular portions, sometimes better than what German soldiers had eaten for months. Some prisoners thought it was a trick. Others waited for it to stop.
Life in American camps followed routine: medical care, mail from home, work assignments, but with limits and pay. This wasn't kindness by accident, it was policy. Many German prisoners were genuinely confused. They had been told Americans were cruel, undisciplined, vengeful. Instead, they found guards who followed rules, even when no one was watching. In diaries and post-war interviews, former prisoners admitted it. This treatment forced them to rethink everything, not just about the enemy, but about the war itself.
When ideology collapses, it doesn't explode, it fades. For many prisoners, humane treatment did something bullets couldn't. It challenged beliefs they'd carried for years.
Warfare usually strips away humanity. But in these camps, something unexpected happened. Dignity survived, even between enemies.
German prisoners expected cruelty. They prepared for suffering. What shocked them most was fairness. And for many, that moment of unexpected humanity stayed with them long after the war ended.
For more untold stories of the moments that changed history, subscribe and keep exploring the past.